What do barbecue pigs and rubber ducks have in common? They were all a part of the annual Pig on the Pond event for kids. Social correspondent Tina Morrison was there for the 3-day extravaganza.
High Society is brought to you by Alani Medical Spa.
Picture-perfect day here at Waterfront Park in downtown Claremont, which is exactly where Style TV is on location this month. We're here to celebrate 16 years of Pig on the Pond for kids.
It wouldn't be Pig on the Pond for the kids without the kids, or the pond, or of course the pigs, and that means Robinson's Racing Pigs. And they're off. All 4 pigs are out of the gate, and it quickly becomes a 2-pig race. There's the first hurdle, and number 4 extends his lead, and it looks like he'll be bringing home the bacon.
Now, I'm sure pig racing isn't something that many people see often, so what's your favorite part about it?
Watching the audience faces, seeing them smile when they jump in the pool.
The pool was my personal favorite. Now, which ones do you think work a little better, the little ones or the big ones?
It depends on their attitude. Right now, the little ones are having fun watching the audience. But in a couple of days, they'll change that over and they'll just start performing real well. But the big one's been doing it for a long time, and they think they can relax and start retiring. So it's a toss-up between them.
Say hello.
So what you're saying is the little ones are being camera hogs, no pun intended. I caught up with Jody, who is here and has been here several times from my understanding. So you know the gist of Pig on the Pond. What has been your favorite thing that you've had so far today or experienced?
The barbecue, of course, tasting different types of barbecue is neat, and watching all the crafts.
Now, big question. I've got to find something to eat, so where would you recommend I go?
Kenny's barbecue is really good, and then we just had the 2 crackers cooking down there. It was very good, the pulled pork sandwich.
It's looking like I'm going to be at 2 Crackers later.
It's time to stick a fork in some pork, and this looks like just the place to do it. 2 Crackers Cooking, featuring slow-cooked, hand-pulled, award-winning barbecue. Wow, it smells so good I can almost taste it. In fact, I'm about to taste it right now. Holy cow! I mean pig. Life-changing barbecue. And so ends a perfect day in Claremont, filled with fun and games, rides and slides, arts and crafts, face painting and pig racing, ice cream dipping, and some doggy kisses. And it all goes to a great cause, to raise funds for educational programs and college scholarships. For the kids, of course.
Well, when you come to something like Pig on the Pond, you clearly can't just pick one thing to eat. And since I passed about 10 things today, I decided to have one of each. It is the weekend after all. For Style TV's High Society, I'm Tina Morrison.